Today we are going to add the numbers 248 plus 365. So I started off by building the numbers 248, 365. Some students, when they start this, they would like to just keep one number altogether and add on, similar to how they may have done it when they were working with single digits, starting with the biggest number and adding on the smaller number. So our biggest number is 365. So if we start with 365, we're going to expand this smaller number to see what we need to add. So here's our bigger number. We're going to expand it, smaller number, into 248. So if we're starting with the 365, students may then want to add in the hundreds from the other number. So if I add the 200 with the 365, I now get, I'm just changing the hundreds place. So now I'm getting 565. On paper, it might look like this. 365 plus this 200. I'm only changing the hundreds here. 300 plus 200 is 500, but I still have my 65. Cross off my 200 because I added it in. So now students may want to add the tens next. So my number 565, we're going to add in the 40. Well, I know that 60 plus 40 is 100. So I now have another 100. On paper, it may look like this. We're using the number 565. We're adding in the 40. Now I know my 60 plus my 40 is another 100. So now I don't have 500 anymore. I have 600. I'm left with no tens, and I still have my 5 ones. So I have 605. Then students may want to add in the ones. So we're going to take this 8 and add it into the ones. Okay? And now I know that I have more than 10 ones. And when I have 10 ones, 10 ones become another 10. And I'm left with 3 ones. So I now have the number 613. On paper, this might look like this. I started with 605, and now I already added my 40. Now I'm going to add in my 8 to get 613, which is my final answer.